Hey all, welcome to the third session of private equity. So today we'll discuss about the main part of a private equity, how the private equity generate the return. So do you know how the private firm turn 1 billion into the 10 billion? The secret is hidden in the this reel. So private equity invest into the many companies into they buy the stock they buy the stake company acquire or merger. So they need a high amount of money. So how this high amount of money can be gathered? So they use the term like leverage breakout. How the leverage breakout will help you is the ultimate strategy for making the billions. PE fund use the mostly borrowed money from the to buy the company, improve them and sell them for the huge profit. You heard about the Twitter deal with the Tesla, how they acquired. If you not, you can comment on this reel. We'll share the reel for the same. Through the venture capital, they invest into the startup. They growth company means they are extending to the expansion of their business. They invest on this, or distress company where they are struggling to run the company, or their management is not good, or the some technical issue, so they invest into this part. So totally private equity invest on this four part. Examples are the KKR use the LBO strategy to buy the Toys R Us with the debt financing. Different strategy, one goal, high return. So how they manage? Would you buy a business with 90% debt? Comment yes or no. So this is a question for you. Thank you. We'll meet you on the next reel.